Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. My dear students, welcome in Pakistan International School, Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. This is English for grade 7. Name of the book is Brighter Grammar. Today is lecture number 14, chapter number 2, adjectives, from page number 20. We'll do the reading and explanation and then exercises 16 and 17. We'll start from page number 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 27. So this is a long chapter from page 20 to 27. We'll see, can we do it in one lesson, one lecture, or two. We'll calculate the time. I'm your teacher, Adnan Sabir Mirza, and let's start the lecture. Page number 20. If you have the book, open it. Adjectives. An adjective is a word put before a noun or a pronoun to qualify meaning. A red turban, a white tie, a sharp knife. So an adjective is a word to add more meaning, to explain about a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives are of 4 kinds. Adjective of quality, show the kind or quality of a person or thing, as poor, great, small, black. Number 2, adjectives of quantity, show how much of thing is meant and in what order, as little, much, some, any. Number 3, adjectives of number, show how many persons or things are meant and in what order, as 3, 5th, few, all. Number 4, demonstrative adjective, point out which person or thing is meant, as this, that, these, those. So the above 4 kinds respectively answer the questions of what kind, how much, how many, and which. Now the degrees of comparison are, there are 3 degrees of comparison: positive, which is simple form of the adjective; comparative, which is used when 2 things are compared; and the superlative, which is used when we speak of 3 or more than 3 things. Number 1, most adjectives of 1 syllable and sometimes more than one form their comparative by adding er, and the superlative by adding est to the position. Great, greater, greatest; kind, kinder, kindest; sweet, sweeter, sweetest; young, younger, youngest; tall, taller, tallest. These are the 1 syllable adjectives. 1 syllable means they can be pronounced in one voice, like great, kind, sweet. You will understand when we discuss 2 and 3 syllables, more syllables. When the positive form ends in e only and r and st are added: able, abler, ablest; brave, braver, bravest; noble, nobler, noblest; wise, wiser; wisest. When the positive form ends in Y preceded by consonant, the Y is changed into I before adding ER or EST. Happy, happier, happiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, dry, drier, drier, driest, easy, easier, easiest, merry, merrier, merriest. Where the positive form is a word for one syllable and ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding ER or EST. Like red, redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, sad, sadder, saddest. Adjective of more than two syllables and many of those with two form the comparative by using adverb more with the positive and the superlative by the adverb most with positive. Like beautiful. Now you see, we have to uh, twist our tongue for more than one time. Beautiful. That, that is two or more than two syllable words or adjectives. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Some adjectives form their degree irregularly. So we have to learn them as they are. Good or well, better, best. Bad or ill, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Many, much, more, most. Late, later, or later, latest, last. Near, nearer, nearest. Old, older, or elder, oldest, and eldest. Use of certain adjectives. He is stronger than I. The road is shorter of the two. The comparative is followed by than when it shows selection. It is off by it is followed by off. This pen is superior to that. Are you junior to me? The comparative junior, senior, inferior, superior, minor, major takes two after them. Number five, this is my elder brother. In the inner room, there lived a lady. The comparative elder formal letter in a outer upper are never followed by then. Number seven, every man was there. Each girl was present. Either of two roads leads to the station. Each, every, either, neither, or neither require a singular verb. 10. He has some money. He has not got any money. Some is used in affirmative sentences and any in negative sentences. Have you some money? Have you some money? Have you any money? Some and any can both be used in interrogative sentences. I have little money. I have little money. I have a little money. I have lost the little money I had. Little, a little, the little denote quantity. Little means not much. A little means some at least. The little denotes some particular quantity. Number 17. He has read few books. He has read a few books. He has read the few books he had. Few, not many, a few, some at least, the few, some particular number. These adjectives denote number. 20. I have an elder brother. He is older than me. Elder and eldest show seniority among the members of the same family. Of the same family. Older and oldest are used for person, lower animals. So number 22 is either of the two brothers is right. 23. Can you spare any of the three pencils? Either and neither or neither refer to two objects only. Any two more than two. He is the best person in the town. 25. He is better than any other person in the town. So this was the reading and explanation. Now let's move to exercise number 16. Exercise 16 starts at page number 23. So I have done the exercises in the text boxes here. I will read the exercise and then read the answers. What will you do? You will do the exercises in your notebook. First write the questions, then write the answers. Exercise 16, page 23. Give the comparative and superlative forms of cold, hot, kind, cruel, wise, diligent, merry, charming, angry, dirty, free, precious. So I have written the three forms like cold, colder, coldest, hot, hotter, hottest, kind, kinder, kindest, cruel, crueler, cruelest, wise, wiser, wisest, diligent, more diligent, most diligent, merry, merrier, merriest, charming, more charming, most charming, angry, more angry, most angry, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, free, more free, most free, precious, more precious, and most precious. So this was the first part of exercise 16. The second is fill in the blanks. He is junior dash me in service. Junior to me. This is the answer in the box. Number 2. This book is better than that. Number 2. Number 3. He is better than any other boy in the class. Number 4. Each boy has a separate room to live in. Number 5. One of is high. One, capital O. One. One of his eye is south. Okay. Number 6. Will you ask any of the four brothers? Number 7. This is the best sheep in the flock. Number 8. She is better singer than any other girl. Number 9. This chair is better than that. Better than that or than? Then. Better than. Better than. Number 10. This pen is superior to that. Next exercise. Use a little, few, a few in these sentences. Give me a little rice. I have little rice left. Number 3. He has few friends, but a few had deserted him. Number 4. Let me have a little rest. Number 5. Let me have few hours rest. Number 6. I have a little fruit in the bag. Number 7. He wants a little rest. Number 7. She wants a few flowers for herself. Number 9. Give him a little milk. Number 10. Let me have a few books of adventure. 1 minute. So we see number 8 again. She wants a few flowers for herself. Number 9. Give him a little milk. Number 10. Let me have a few books for adventure. Page 24. Now let's move to page 24. 24. Use later or letter in the blanks. Number 1. Ali and Wali are brothers. The former is wiser than letter. Okay. Number 1 is letter. Latter. Letter. Number 2. Ahmad came later than I did. Okay. This should make the difference. Next, use older and elder in the blanks. My brother is elder. My elder brother is a clerk. 2. He is older than I. This building Number 2, he is older than I. Number 3, this book is older than that. Number 4, this book is older than that. 5, his elder sister is a doctor. Fill in the blanks with farther and further. Farther means away and further means also. Jhelum is farther from Lahore. Please read further. Also or more. Further means also more. FURTHER. Number 3. Until further orders, the school shall open at 8 a.m. Number 4. Do not go farther. He is reading further. Number 5. Next is fill in the blanks with latest or last. Please give me the latest edition of the book. Latest. Number 2, he is the boy, he is the last boy in the class. Number 3, I saw him last in Quetta. We expect to get the news in a few hours. Number 5, he met me last in Murray. Fill in the blanks with nearest or next. His house is next to mine. Number two, how far is the nearest house? Formation of adjectives. Nouns and adjectives. Adjective, adjectival. Advantage, advantageous. Advice, advisable. Adverb, adverbial. Affection, affectionate, affectionate. Air, airy. Angel, angelic. Beauty, beautiful. Black, blackish. Blood, bloody. Blue, bluish. Body, bodily. Book, bookish. Boy, boyish. Brother, brotherly. Brute, brutal. Brush, brushy. Brass, brazen. Burden, burdensome. Cheer, cheerful. Child, childish. Class, classical. Clay, clay A. Comfort, comfortable. Courage, courageous. Coward, cowardly. Center, central. Circle, circular. Commerce, commercial. Confidence, confidential. Custom, customary. Day, daily. Dew, dewy. Dog, doggish. Danger, dangerous. Earth, earthly or earthly. Ease, easy. East, eastern. Emperor or empire, imperial. Envy, envious. Faith, faithful. Fear, fearful. Favor, favorable. Fish, fishy. Fire, fiery. Force, forcible. Students, the word favor, Favor, favor. In British English, it is Voor. In American English, it is Vor. Since we are following the British English, so we'll do this spelling. Favor. Okay. So there is the difference in some words in British and American. We are following British English. That is the basic English. That is the proper English. We say it. Fire, fiery. Force, forcible. Flower, flowery. Fortunate, fortunate. Fortune, fortunate. Food, foolish. Fruit, fruitish. Fruitful. Friend, friendly. Feather, feathery. Fault, faulty. Fury, furious. Gift, gifted. Glory, glorious. Gloom, gloomy. Gold, golden. God, godly. Grass, grassy. Grace, gracious. Hand, handy. Greed, greedy. Harm, harmful. Heart, hearty. Heaven, heavenly. Haste, hasty. Home, homely. Hill, hilly. Hour, hourly. Hope, hopeful. Hairy, hairy. Habit, habitual. Joy, joyful. Hero, heroic. Land, landed. King, kingly. Love, lovely. Law, lawful. Man, manly. Life, lifeless. Might, mighty. Milk, milky. Mother, motherly. Month, monthly. Music, musical. Mercy, uh, merciless. This is page number 26. Need, needy. Nature, natural. Night, nighty. Nation, national, oil, oily. Numerical, office, official. One only, peace, peaceful. Place, palatial, palatial. Practice, practicable. Play, playful. Profit, profitable. Pride, proud. People, popular. Queen, queenly. Red, reddish. Rock, rocky. Shame, shameful. Sand, sandy. Smoke, smoky. Silver, silvery. Star, starry. Space, spacious. Study, studious. Sun, sunny. Stone, stony. Sorrow, sorrowful. Season, seasonal. Storm, stormy. Silk, silken. Sight, sightly. Talk, talkative. Trouble, troublesome. Terror, terrible. Taste, tasteful. Use, useful. Thought, thoughtful. Virtue, virtuous. Value, valuable. Voice, vocal. Water, watery. West, western. Weak, weakly. Will, willing. White, whitish. Wood, woolen, wooden. Winter, wintry. World, worldly. Wool, woolen. Year, yearly. Worth, worthy. Youth, young. Yellow, yellowish. Exercise number 17 at page number 27. Let's do it quickly also. Yes. Insert the adjective form of the words in brackets. Number one, it is. Now I will read with answers because answers are given at the right side in the text box. You will be able to write from here and answer from here. It is advisable to travel by train. The number two, this room is quite airy. These are boyish games. These are cowardly people. His eyes were watery. She is a talkative girl. This is a silken handkerchief. Your behavior is shameful. There are uh, quarrelsome boys. 10. Agriculture is a profitable way of livelihood. 11. The proposal is not practicable. She is in a playful mood. Azra is a playful girl, proud girl. Yes, 13 proud. This is a rocky district. Number 14. Number 14. So number 15. This is a spacious lawn. Number 16. This is a weekly magazine. He is a worthy companion. 18. Her hair had a yellowish shade. 19. This is surely a friendly act. 20. The electricity supply is faulty. So this is the first part of exercise 17. The second part is write these sentences, put the correct superlative adjective from the brackets in the space. Number one, he is the heaviest rower in the boat. Number two, that was the most foolish thing to do. Three, this glass is the thinnest of the sheets. Four, the inspector said he was the most cunning criminal he knew. Five, can I have the biggest
cabbage you have? 6. Roger is the most reliable member of the team. 7. The thief is the slyest rogue in town. So this is the end of exercise 17. So this is also the end of chapter number 2. Inshallah, see you with the next lecture. Take care. Goodbye. Ramzan Kareem and stay safe. Stay at home. Assalamu alaikum.